Hi, welcome to another virtual business card tutorial. In this tutorial, we will look at different ways to share your card. If you have not yet created a card for yourself, see the tutorial on how to create a card. You can find the tutorial on this YouTube channel or from your VBC app. There are multiple ways to share your card, such as Bluetooth, QR codes, and messages. We will look into all of them. To get started, I recommend you add the VBC widget to your phone. It is the fastest way to share your card and interact with the app. In a future update, you will also be able to browse through your contacts with the widget. You can usually add the widget by holding a finger on your phone's main view for a few seconds. By main view, I mean the view where you see all your app icons on. Then on Android, select Widgets, or on iOS, select Edit. Then find the widget for VBC Virtual Business Card. If you have a card created, a QR will be generated on your widget. One way to share your card is showing this QR to the recipient. When they read it, your card will open up on their device. If they wish to save your card, they can do so from the card itself. Since the card opens up in the default web browser, the recipient does not need to have the VBC app installed. If you tap the widget and you are logged in on the app, you will be directed straight to the sharing page of the app. If you wish to not use the widget, you can also access the share page by tapping this big share button on the center of the app. This sharing page is divided into two sections. The section above is used to share to nearby users via Bluetooth. This means that the recipients must have the VBC app installed on their devices, Bluetooth on, and their app open. If all of these requirements are met, the name of the recipient can be seen here. Tapping their name will send them your business card. They will then get a notification on their app, and they can view and save your business card. This section below is reserved for other sharing methods. If you share via a message, such as email or WhatsApp, you can type a custom message on this text box. You can see the preview of the message below. As you can see, the card and your contact information are added automatically. If you wish to save your custom message, you can do so by tapping the Save button. To share your card, you can tap one of these three buttons on the right side of the preview. The first button opens your phone's own share view where you can browse your apps. Select the app you want to share your card with. The app will then automatically add your custom message, your business card, and your contact information to your message. The next button displays the QR code of your business card. This is the same QR code as the one in the widget. Lastly, we have the email button. This opens your default email app with the same message seen here. To exit the share view, you can tap the back button here. We have now returned to the main view of the app and are ready to end this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Happy networking!